Welcome back to Aviation This Week. Today's edition is brought to you by Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. I'm Justin Bellmore, and here's your top news from this week. We start with the Airbus H160 landing in Las Vegas for the Heli-Expo. Then, Viking Air teams up with Mahindra Aerospace, and Boeing is taking a 51% stake in a new joint company with Embraer. All your news right here after this brief message from our sponsor. The H160 prototype landed in Las Vegas last week and headlined Airbus helicopters for the first time at this year's Heli-Expo. The Heli-Expo ran from February 27th to March 1st at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Demos for the H160 were performed daily to showcase maintenance optimization and facilitation with its unique design and new processes like the Operator Zero campaign. The Heli-Expo also displayed Airbus H-generation healthcare aircraft, the H125 in a law enforcement configuration, and the H145, presented for private and business aviation uses. Canadian manufacturer Viking Air and Mahindra Aerospace of India have signed a memorandum of understanding to form a strategic alliance in response to India's growing regional air connectivity requirements. In a press release, Viking Air said the move was made amid the recent focus being put on Indo-Canadian relations during Justin Trudeau's trip to India. Under this alliance, Mahindra Aerospace and Viking will support each other's non-competing aircraft business to boost market penetration in identified territories and provide customers with options based on specific requirements. David Curtis, Viking president and CEO, said that there is lots of opportunity for Viking in India for transportation along India's coastline and river systems, which range thousands of kilometers. Lauro Hardim, a columnist for newspaper O Globo, reported last week that Boeing will have a 51% stake in a joint company currently being negotiated with Brazilian aircraft maker Embraer. Without citing any sources, Hardim said Boeing has agreed to a demand that the U.S. company have no more than a 51% controlling share. Reuters previously reported that the partnership with Embraer would be focused on commercial aviation, excluding Embraer's defense unit. Embraer said it would not comment on the matter, and Boeing did not respond to a request for comment. This is Annex Business Media's Niche TV. Thanks again to our sponsor, Lavero Aviation, your aviation solutions provider. Look for the CEO Leadership Series profile of Lavero CEO Robert Arnone in the March-April edition of Wings magazine. And send in your nominations for our annual Top 20 Under 40 feature by May 1st at wingsmagazine.com and helicoptersmagazine.com. And of course, be sure to tune in to our next episode on Friday, March 16th for the latest in aviation news. I'm Justin Bellmore. We'll see you next time.